Fun and games for all ages are waiting for you at the 2024 PopiCon Gaming Convention. Tama is joining us this morning with a little sneak peek ahead of the convention. Thanks for joining us.
You're welcome. Good morning.
Third year, right, for this annual PopiCon event.
Yes.
But you have a really unique story about why you really started this event. So we really need to share with our viewers this personal connection that you have.
So my dad, Tom Christovan, was just a giant gamer. If you ever met him, he would try to teach you a game. He would play that game with you, and then he would beat you in that game.
No beginner's luck when you're playing with him, right?
No, my kids learned really quickly. Even if you were playing Candyland, he was in it to win it.
There you go. You know, a little healthy competition. I don't think I was ever detrimental.
Right. So my kids called him Poppy. So this is a drawing of him. So he died during COVID, and we couldn't have his memory during COVID, and so we had to wait. And so we kind of jokingly called his memorial PopiCon because he was called Poppy. So that first memorial was our first PopiCon. And so about 40 friends and family after the service, we literally sat down and played his games in his honor. And we said you could take his games if you promised to play them. And so everyone had such a good time. They're like, you need to do it again. And so I rented a room that holds about 200 people, Stockroom East, wonderful location. And over 350 people came.
Wow.
And it blew me away. And the love and the joy in the room, the families having fun, you know, people who never knew him were honoring him with this memory of family and connection and old-fashioned fun, right?
Yeah.
Old-fashioned fun. So at PopiCon, we do role-playing games, board games, card games. There'll be bridge, there'll be euchre. We're doing Settlers of Catan. We're doing a tournament. We rented the big room at the Century Center. I know.
That's exciting, though.
It is
How does that feel to know that the memory not only is being able to be cherished by the close friends and family, but also by members of the community, and so many of them?
It's so wonderful. And my family is really involved. My daughter is my graphic designer. And I've got all these friends and family that are volunteering for this event and are helping. We have over 50 volunteers to help run the games. I have over 35 vendors. Who knew I'd have vendors? And yeah, it's going to run February 3rd from 10 a.m. to 11 p.m. You don't have to be there the whole time. There's going to be a costume contest. We're going to have little miniatures people can paint and take home with them. There's a kids area. There's a quiet area. You can bring babies. I'm all about family. I'm all about inclusiveness. I'm all about diversity. That was my dad. He would teach anybody. He would play anybody. And that's what we're trying to honor.
Trying to honor, and you said you rented the big room, the really big room. So how many people are we hoping to bring together in his honor to play a really great game this year?
So I'm hoping for 700.
Truly incredible.
Yeah.
So if folks are hearing about this and going, you know what, this is a great opportunity, because, you know, I love a great board game, but I feel like they need a little bit of a resurgence. How can people come out and attend, get their tickets in advance? What does that look like as far as those details?
Great question. So we have a website, PopiCon, a gaming convention. You can buy your tickets, you can buy t-shirts. So we're doing pre-sale tickets right now for $15. And then if you go to the door, it'll be $20. But kids are free, because it's really all about family. You don't have to know anything about these games. That's really important to me. You can sit down and we will teach you. Whatever you want to learn, we will teach you how to play. We have a huge library of games. These are some well-loved games that our family has played over the years. And so we have a library and a librarian who will happily teach your whole family how to play it.
Happily teach. And you also mentioned that you'll have some vendors at the event as well. Tell us a little bit about what's going on outside of the gaming that folks and attendees can get excited for.
So it's really been fun. I've been going to different events and handing out my card and seeing who was interested, and it overwhelmed me. So we'll have several vendors who sell the games and sell the dice and the magic cards and the Pokemon and that kind of collectible stuff. But we also have a lot of artists, local artists that do different things that sort of are like gaming, right? So we have a costume contest, so there'll be people there selling jewelry and fun costume stuff. We have a person who does origami. So it's a real wide variety, a real fun group, and we really wanted to focus on local. And that's the other reason I rented Century Center. It's about downtown, revitalizing downtown. My daughter made a map of downtown so that people could explore downtown while they were at the Century Center.
It's going to be a really great day coming up on February 3rd. So let's make sure our viewers get some more information because they can get that discounted rate ahead of time, but also tickets are available at the door. So don't let that deter you if you're thinking even last minute. Head on out, 574-366-3045, or also that website is right there on your screen, or easy enough, find the event on Facebook. More Hometown Living when we come back.